Hey friends, I'm going to show you how you can make $2.67 every 2 minutes today. So if you take 2.67 times 30, because we want to do how many would be in an hour, times 24, because this can be going 24/7, is going to equal $1,922.40. Now, I know 2.67 doesn't sound like a whole lot of money, but if you do what I say in this video and you follow the steps, you could easily go viral and make tons of money. And you know what? Let's just say you don't. Let's just say you earn hundreds of dollars and not thousands. I mean, this is free, right? And it's money. I'll take it. And you know what? I actually have tons and tons of other videos that if you don't like this one, you don't think this one's for you, then check out. It's just Shelly Hopkins. It's just my name. And I teach people how to make money online. My favorite thing is affiliate marketing. But a lot of times, you know, people need money for side hustles and to get started and to have money for courses. So I try to teach all kinds of different methods. So for example, if you didn't like this one and you thought, well, I don't want a chance doing free stuff and just making hundreds, then check out my channel. I have all kinds of stuff from making a free ebook, how to make ebooks. I talk about other people's courses, how you can make money at Walmart, at Target, how you can earn $1,000 to just putting apps on your phone and earn money there, how to create books, earn $25 an hour. And while you're here, do me a favor and subscribe, because of course it helps you, because I'm putting out free content for you to make money online and definitely change your life. But it helps me because I'm on here and I want more people to see this, because that helps me help more people. So subscribe. And if you do like my videos, ring that notification bell, because every time I come out with all of this new stuff and different methods with making money online, you get notified. Okay, the site I'm going to show you is cpagrip.com. So this is a pretty cool marketing site. So you're going to want to register. You're going to put all your information here, but on here where it says publisher type, you're going to put website instant. And then you're going to click on I've read and understand the terms, register now. Once you're in the CPA grip, you're going to want to go to offer tools, and then you want to go to my offers. Okay, and then here is a list of some kind of cool, this is a totally different method. A bunch of different offers. Now you are going to, on the country here, United States. That's where we want to get these offers from, because it's the United States. Now, if you see here, see, these are 257. Now, I'm going to point this out before someone does in the comments. On the title of this video, it's 267. And on here, it's 257. And that's because when I was doing my research, I guess I wrote it down wrong. So I'm sorry. Okay. Shelly ain't perfect. Oh! Okay. But what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how you can use these offers, and if you do what I say, make thousands of dollars. Now, I am going to actually, I like options. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you two different options for the same method. So you have to stay with me. Two different options. One is going to be an easy one, because I'm all about easy. And then there's going to be a harder method. And then there's going to be one you have to put in a little bit more work. Make money, and then I'm going to show you how to make more with this exact same method. Stay with me to the very end. I'm going to show you how to even make more money. You gotta trust me, guys. It's gonna be so fun. This is so cool. So we have these offers. Let's just start at the beginning. It's MasterCard, and this one just looks prettier. So if we click on this, I mean, that doesn't look that right. Now there's a couple different ways that you could do this, and this one also says you got to pay attention, because some of them say for mobile and some of them, you know, say for PC or computer, and this one says for mobile. For what we're going to use, and my idea, mobile is perfect. See this picture right here? Okay. What we want to do is we want to take this picture, and I'm going to give you an option if you want to do a little bit more work. I think this is fine, and I'm lazy, but if you wanted to do more work, and we're going to take this, this is credit card. So we want to take a picture of the credit card, So if you were to go to pexels.com or pixabay.com, this here's pexels.com. You don't want to go to the internet and just steal pictures because you can get in trouble. They're copyrighted, guys. So what I did, I went ahead and I just got this one and randomly saved it. And then if you wanted to go to Canva, I went ahead and added the picture in. I created a post. Now, if you're really into Canva and you want to make your stuff look pretty, I'll put a video that's up the top, and it's actually how to make a YouTube thumbnail, which is the exact same thing. You can do it as a Facebook post, you could do it as an Instagram post, whatever. We are going to post these on Instagram or Facebook or Twitter or all three, okay? The only thing is you have to make sure, okay, if you post these, that it's on like a branded account and not like your personal account. And if you do something like Facebook, be really careful and don't just post boom, 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 boom. That's okay, because I'm going to show you how you can do this. On this, now you could put on here, again, if we're making it all pretty, you know, share the post, tag a friend who'd be interested, and click the link and enter the contest. You must complete all steps. Now, if we were to go back to our offer, then copy this link right here, because this is going to be what people click on. But this is kind of ugly. So if you were to go to bit.ly.com, click on create, paste, that's ugly. And so just do create. You could put something right here and say like credit card, or just leave it right here. I would just copy that and do the same thing. And if you go back to here, then you could put that link in your picture and then actually just post this picture on Facebook or Twitter. You could even save it. Excuse me, right here you could publish on Facebook, and boom. I don't do it this way. Publish on Facebook or Twitter or Instagram, and then you have people that sharing the post and you're tagging a friend. So the more, because people, I like contests, I think they're fun. So the more people, I mean, you're getting them clicking on it, boom, boom, boom. So it's bringing in all that money for you. So that's how, you know, you're getting it, you know, every 2 minutes. People, if this, because you're just going to keep going, it's going to random. Okay, but that's kind of a lot of work if you ask me. So if I were you, I just wanted to show you that, because you could, if you wanted to make it all pretty and artsy, and you could definitely do a better job than me, then what I suggest that you do is I would just literally leave this alone. I mean, I think this is pretty. You can make the background black if you want to make it all blah, 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 blah. But what I would literally do, on my way, what you're going to do is you're going to take that link. I'd still use the bit.ly link. And then you're going to add on your post, whether it's on Twitter or Facebook. You literally just have this picture here. Just use this picture and then your link that you had off of bit.ly, and post that either underneath your picture, and the information, like if it's on Facebook, the information and stuff would be at the top and be like, hey guys, check this out. And then you can have either the link there, or you could have the picture and you can be like, hey guys, if you're interested, either comment below and then have them message you. Or, you know, say you're on, you know, Twitter or Instagram, you could have, which on Instagram, I think you have to have the link at the top of the bio, but you don't have to on Twitter. You can have the link there, but you could always say, hey, you know, the link is down below. You could do that on Facebook or Twitter and then have like the link down below and then just have them click on it there. So you can go, again, like I said, and do it the other way. I just wanted to show you that way and then show you this way, and how you can use Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, so you can use social media, and then you can have, I mean, that money coming in, guys, because the more people are sharing, and then you're getting the money because they're clicking, and you're not going to do just one, okay? Because if you think about it, you have a bunch. So I literally would start at the top and then keep going down and be like, check out this offer, guys. Hey, if you're interested in this, did you know you could also win, there's like a phone or some PS5 or something down here too. I mean, something easy. You can be, you know, $10,000 richer today, you know, get 750 sent to your Venmo, which is just a little app you can put on your phone. So you can keep adding all of these. Now, if you want to know a way to even make more money with this exact same method. But I think this is a lot of more work because I just showed you how you could do it really easy. And people are going to share it because they're going to want to do the contest. And it's fun. I think these are fun. Seriously, I have a great idea that can make all of these just, oh my gosh, you're going to make so much money. Okay, if you were to go to TikTok, okay, there's, I do TikTok, but I haven't been on here in a while. But if you were to do, I've seen a lot of people that do Amazon this way, and they have a whole bunch of different products. Now you're thinking, Shelly, I don't want to be on film. I don't want to do anything like that. That's okay. All you have to do is be like the credit card. Okay, all you have to do is you could be in the video, or you could just have, either images or video of credit cards. And wouldn't you like to win this? Check out the link in the bio. You could put, because you have to have a link. That's why I said it's a little bit more work on the second option, because you have to have like 1,000 followers. So on TikTok, just to get your 1,000, all you have to do is you could be like, hey, I'm going to have tons of stuff coming. You're going to like this. Check this out. What if you could get, a free credit card, or you could get, to win a PS5. Go ahead and subscribe, and you'll get your 1,000 in no time. There's even another way where you could change the thing and go ahead and put a link up there, but I wouldn't do that because it's easier to hurry up and just get your 1,000 and leave the link. It's like you can change it from like business or personal, but I found it's faster just to leave it where you can't and put that link in after you have 1,000. No, you're like, oh, what? Okay, here we go. Do me a favor, guys. If you're liking this video, give me a thumbs up. And in the comments, give me an emoji. Give me a heart emoji. Give me a sad emoji. Don't give me a sad emoji. Just give me an emoji. It helps with the algorithm. Okay. Now, if you go to the top here, okay, this is just my example of mine. This right here is called a link tree. So what you are going to do, because you're going to have your little thing, your little TikTok things, which are totally easy, and you can do it on your computer. I have a video that I'll put up here that tells you how you can do TikTok videos, and they're way easy just to do it on your computer, and then you can just load them like simple in minutes. When they click on each one, because the people do this on Amazon, I don't do this, but they have tons. Like I have 4, and they have tons of these, and each one has, you don't put click here, but you could win an iPad 5, the second one, chance to win $1,000. And they're going to click on each one to try to win these contests. I mean, who wouldn't? And then it's fun. And then there's going to be some kind of a winner. And you're getting all of those clicks. So you have to do a little bit of work up front to get the 1,000 followers. And then if you're thinking, Shelly, this is probably going to cost me money to get this. Okay. I have DropFunnels, which I use for affiliate marketing and everything. And it does cost money. And I have tons of videos that's on that on my YouTube channel. If you're interested in that later down the line, or if you get interested in affiliate marketing. But for now, guys, all you have to do is go to Linktree, and they have free. I mean, you could do this for free. Unlimited, guys, right here. Free, unlimited links. So you could have, like, say we had just 10. I mean, look at this. That's already thousands of dollars, because people are going to click on that. That's like boom, 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 boom. Keep adding that up. Let's forget the $1,922. If you really wanted to do this, you can make a lot more money. You really, really can. So you have several different methods that's easy, that's kind of neat, it takes a little bit more work. And then you have this other method where you can use TikTok. Isn't that kind of a neat method? I like that. But you're still working. You still have to put in all of that time. So if you want a way that's way more passive income, then I told you I do affiliate marketing. And I am a single mom who got laid off. My whole entire department was completely and utterly laid off from a corporate job. And I had started learning affiliate marketing and had decided, hey, you know what? I was getting money coming in from unemployment. So I'm like, I'll try to do this full time. And you know what? I never went back to the corporate office. So now, if I want, I can sit here in my pajamas and work. I can go on vacation, lay on the beach anytime I want to. Guys, I love this. My daughter can come home and ride the bus. It used to be like a privilege for her to be able to ride the bus because I couldn't be there to pick her up or to be there when she got home. So I want to help as many people get out of the 9 to 5 or make a living to literally change your life, because my life is so different now. So I want to help you guys. And the way to do that is the link in the bio. It really can help you. So if you're also thinking, oh my gosh, Shelly, but I'm still going to be on my own. No, you're going to get a free coach and you're going to get me to help you. I'm here. Any questions, I'm always here to answer you. So go ahead and check that out, because I promise you're going to love it. And then if you loved this video, then did you like it? Subscribe to it. It helps me, helps you. Okay, cool. Well, then now the next thing to do is to watch the next video. I'll have it up on the screen next. And guess what? I'm in it, so I'll see you in there as well.